Fortunately, there's a simple way to get rid of hiccups. The reason we get hiccups at all is because we experience a spasm of the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve is a nerve that emanates from the cervical region. If you can stop the phrenic nerve from spasming, you can stop hiccups. There is a technique that can reliably eliminate hiccups, and that simple method is to inhale 3 times in a row. Big deep inhale through your nose, then before you exhale any air, take a second inhale through the nose, however brief that inhale might be, and then a third, even micro or millisecond long inhale through your nose to get that third inhale, and then hold your breath for about 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly exhale. As far as we know, this is the most efficient and science-supported way to eliminate hiccups.